Mathematics is just not about numbers, equations, algorithms or compositions. It is about understanding. Peace be upon you all. I am Shaza Zahir from class 8A and today we are all gathered here to celebrate Maths Day. So first let's start this assembly with the blessings of the Almighty. So for prayer I call upon Muhammad Zain from class 3rd A.
السلام عليكم. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين.
Thank you, Zain. The world is full of diamonds and gems, and we are having some of them here today. So to welcome them all, I invite Zain Mohammed from class 4th A.
Peace upon you all. I'm Zain Mohammed from class 4th A. It's my pleasure to welcome you all in this assembly. So, first of all, I would like to welcome our respected principal, Mr. Niyas Chirakara. Welcome, sir. Next, I would like to welcome our chief guest, Miss Sini. Welcome, ma'am. Next, I would like to welcome our vice principal, Miss Ambika. Welcome, ma'am. And also, I would like to welcome our academic supervisor, Miss Safa. Welcome, ma'am. Now, I would like to welcome our teachers. Welcome. Next, I would like to welcome our beloved parents. Welcome. Last, I would like to welcome all my dear friends. Thank you.
Thank you, Zain, for that warm welcome. Here is a fun maths question for all of you. If 1 equals to 3 and 2 equals to 3 and 3 equals to 5 and 4 equals to 4 and 5 equals to 4, then what is 6 equals to? You'll know the answer soon. But first, let's invite our respected principal, Mr. Niyas Chirakara, to say a few words. Sir, please.
Peace be upon you. Beloved students, respected teachers and parents, may the Almighty bless us all. Today, 22nd December, Indian National Mathematics Day. We all know why December 22nd is considered to be National Mathematics Day. It's because the Indian government, Prime Minister Manmohan Singh, declared this in 2012 to commemorate the birthday of Srinivasa Ramanujan, the greatest of Indian mathematicians. As we know, he was very enthusiastic. He was a mathematic genius, and it is very apt to celebrate, to observe his birthday as National Mathematics Day. When we think about maths, we can understand the world evolves, revolves around mathematics. Everywhere, wherever we go, I speak now. The camera and me, there is a distance. We use mathematics. We go to shop to buy things. So maybe we buy things for 10 rupees and we give them 20 rupees. They give us 10 rupees back. So mathematics. In the famous movie Spadigam, the Chakomash, the famous Chakomash of Malayalam movie, he says, Bhulogathinte Spandanam thanne mathematics aanu. So it is actually real. But when we come to academics, students normally they strain to learn mathematics. They perform very poor in mathematics. When we consider the result of class 10 and 12 board exams, we can see maths is the least scored subject for maybe we can say in CBSE or everywhere. Why it happens? It is I observed that for the last 20 years I've been observing this as a teacher, as a principal, as a school leader, and my realization is that we learn mathematics without connecting it to the life. So when we connect maths and life, it will be easy to learn. It will be very interesting actually. So I urge the students and teachers to learn mathematics connecting with the real life. For example, when I was a student, maybe in class 4 or 5 or 6, I learned that LCM, and I learned in a Malayalam medium school, Lagudama Sadharana Gunidam, Lasagu. That's what we learned. And when I understand the concept, when I heard someone reading that sentence in English. So when I connected it, it was very easy for me. but when we learned it, when I was taught, it didn't have any connection with my life. So building a structure or measuring heights, everywhere we use maths. So I request all the teachers and I request all the students to connect mathematics and life, so that we will be able to understand it easily, and maths will become a very interesting subject for all of us. May the Almighty bless us all and make mathematics easy for us, interesting for us. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, sir, for those valuable words. The answer to the fun maths question is 6 equals to 3 because 6 has 3 letters. It's my pleasure to welcome our chief guest, Miss Sini, from Kerapan Memorial Government Higher Secondary School. So now I call upon our chief guest, Miss Sini, to say a few words. Ma'am, please.
Hi everyone. Mathematics is one of the most important subjects of our life. No matter to which field or profession you belong to, it's used everywhere. That's why it is necessary to have a good understanding of the subject. Though the basics of mathematics start from school, but its usage continues till we become adults, and thus it can be said that maths has become an integral part of our life. Imagining our lives without it is like a ship without a sail. From dialing numbers on phone to giving money for making the payments, our world is involved in mathematics. The main motto of Mathematics Day celebration is to make people aware the significance of the numbers in life. According to Ramanujan, the numbers should speak. On this very day, several schools and colleges till date organize camps and training for both teachers and students to enrich their mathematical skills. The National Academy of Sciences, India, every year pay homage to this mathematician with a 2-day workshop where the contributions of the Indian mathematicians like Brahmagupta and Aryabhatta were discussed, followed by presentations of the students. This idea cropped up in 2012 by UNESCO, who agreed to sign a joint venture with India to spread the importance of mathematics throughout the globe. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for those inspirational words. Music is a synthesis of quantum mathematics. No assembly is found without a little zig. So for action song, I call upon Haya AS.
Hi, my name is Haya AS. Today I sing a song about maths. Math is magic, math is magic. Learning math is fun, learning math is fun. Math is queen of sciences, math is queen of sciences. Math is always true, math is always true. Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Interesting topics. Math is very interesting. Math is very exciting. I love maths. Math is very interesting. Math is very exciting. I love maths. Let us learn with joy. I love maths. Let us learn with joy. Thank you.
Thank you, Haya. We all loved it. Do you know why we are celebrating Maths Day? So, to know more about Maths Day, I call upon Maudeen Shah for speech.
Peace be upon you. Mathematics is the cure of science. It deals with numbers, quantities, shape and arrangements. Math is all around us in everything we do. Math is one. It teaches you life. 22 December of every year is celebrated as the National Mathematics Day. On the birth anniversary of Srinivasa Ramanujan. S. Ramanujan was an Indian mathematician during the British rule. He had never been formally trained in the subject. Yet, he became one of the greatest mathematicians of all time. The day is recognized to remember greatness and contribution in the field of mathematics. Ramanujan gave solution to mathematical problems that were considered unsolvable during the time. British mathematician G.H. Hardy was a great motivator of Ramanujan. The famous number in the name of Hardy and Ramanujan is 1729. It is the sum of the cube of 10 and 9. Thank you.
Thank you, Maudeen Shah. We understood a lot. To learn maths is to do maths. So now I call upon Fatima Ifra to show how she solves the Rubik's Cube. Thank you, Ifra. Without mathematics, there's nothing you can do. Mathematics is all around us. Numbers is all around us.
Hi, I'm Fizan Fuad from 6B. I'm here to show you a trick in maths. The trick is that we can find the squares of all the numbers ending with 5 easily. So, I will show you the trick. First, we are taking a 2-digit number, for example, 65 square. So, we want to multiply with the next number of 6. The next number of 6 is 7. So we want to multiply 6 into 7. 6 into 7 is equal to 42. And we want to know the square of 5. 5 square is equal to 25. So the square of 65 is equal to, first we want to write the 42 and then the 25. So the square of 65 is 4225. So next we can take a 3-digit number, for example 105 square. So first we are taking the 10. So next number of 10 is equal to 10 into 11. 10 into 11 is 110. And then the 5 square. 5 square is equal to 25. So the square of 105 is equal to, first we want to write the 110. And then we want to write 25. So the square of 105 is equal to 11,025. Thank you. Have a nice day.
ഹായ് ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, അപ്പോൾ ഞാൻ ഇന്ന് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് കാണിച്ചു തരാൻ പോകുന്നത് 11 to 20 വരെയുള്ള സ്ക്വയേഴ്സിന് എളുപ്പത്തിൽ കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാനുള്ള ഒരു ട്രിക്കാണ്.
ഇപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ 11ൻ്റെ കാര്യം എടുക്കുകയാണെങ്കിൽ 11ൻ്റെ റൈറ്റ് സൈഡിലുള്ള നമ്പറിൻ്റെ സ്ക്വയർ നോക്കാം. അതായത് 1ൻ്റെ സ്ക്വയർ ആണെങ്കിൽ 1ൻ്റെ സ്ക്വയർ 1 തന്നെയാണ്. അപ്പോൾ 11 പ്ലസ് റൈറ്റ് നമ്പർ 1, 11 പ്ലസ് അപ്പോൾ 1 ഈക്വൽ 12 ആണ്. പിന്നെ നമ്മൾ 1ൻ്റെ സ്ക്വയർ ഇവിടെ 1 എടുത്തില്ലേ, അതെടുത്ത് തേർഡ് ഡിജിറ്റിലിടുക. അപ്പോൾ 121 ആണ് ആൻസർ. ഇനി നമ്മൾ 12ൻ്റെ കാര്യം എടുക്കുകയാണെങ്കിൽ ഇതുപോലെ തന്നെ നമുക്ക് ഈ ട്രിക്ക് തന്നെ ചെയ്യാതെ ഇതിൻ്റെ ഒപ്പം റൈറ്റ് നമ്പർ അതിൻ്റെ സ്ക്വയർ കണ്ടുപിടിക്കുക. റൈറ്റ് നമ്പർ 2 ആണ്, 2ൻ്റെ സ്ക്വയർ 4 ആണ്. പിന്നെ 12 പ്ലസ് റൈറ്റ് നമ്പർ 2 തന്നെയാണ്. ഇപ്പോൾ 12 പ്ലസ് 2 14 ആണ്. 14 പ്ലസ് 4 ഇവിടുത്തെ 4 നമ്മളിവിടെ അപ്പോൾ 144 ആൻസർ കിട്ടും. ഇനി 13 നോക്കാം. 13 ഇതുപോലെ തന്നെ റൈറ്റിലത്തെ നമ്പർ അതിൻ്റെ സ്ക്വയർ കണ്ടുപിടിക്കുക. 3ൻ്റെ സ്ക്വയർ 9 ആണ്. 13 പ്ലസ് 3 16 പിന്നെ അതാ 9 ഇട്ട് കൊടുക്കുക. അപ്പോൾ 169 ആണ്. ഇനി നമുക്ക് 14 നോക്കാം. 14 ഇതുപോലെയല്ല, കുറച്ച് ഡിഫറെൻ്റ് ആണ്. ഇത് ട്രിക്ക് തന്നെയാണ്. 4ൻ്റെ സ്ക്വയർ 16. പിന്നെ 14 പ്ലസ് 4 18 ആണ്. 18 ഇവിടെ ആകെ നമുക്ക് 3 ഡിജിറ്റേ ഉള്ളൂ, അത്ര സ്ഥലങ്ങളുള്ളൂ. അപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ 4 ഡിജിറ്റ് വന്ന് നമ്മൾ ഈ 16ൻ്റെ 1 എടുത്ത് മുകളിൽ 8ൻ്റെ മുകളിലിടുക, പിന്നെ 6 ഇവിടെ ഇടുക, എന്നിട്ട് ഇത് പ്ലസ് ചെയ്യുക. അപ്പോൾ 196 കിട്ടും. ഇനി 15 നോക്കാം. 15 14ൻ്റെ പോലെ തന്നെയാണ്. 5ൻ്റെ സ്ക്വയർ 25. 15 പ്ലസ് 5 20. ഇനി 25 ഇതിൻ്റെ 0ൻ്റെ മുകളിൽ 2 ഇടാം, പിന്നെ 5. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് 125 കിട്ടും. ഇനി നമുക്കൊരു വലിയ ഡിജിറ്റ് എടുക്കാം. 19 എടുക്കാം. അപ്പോൾ 9ൻ്റെ സ്ക്വയർ 81 ആണ്. 19 പ്ലസ് റൈറ്റ് സൈഡത്തെ നമ്പർ, അതായത് 19 പ്ലസ് 9 28 ആണ്. പിന്നെ 81ൽ 8ൻ്റെ മുകളിലിടാം. 1 തേർഡ് ഡിജിറ്റിലിടാം. പിന്നെ ഈ 28ഉം 8ഉം വരാണെങ്കിൽ നമുക്ക് അതൊന്ന് പ്ലസ് ചെയ്യണം. 28 പ്ലസ് 8 പ്ലസ് 8 16. 36 കിട്ടും. 361 ആണ്. 61.
Thank you. Those tricks will help us a lot. So recently we had a competition named Maths Talent Hunt Exam. So here are the winners. Congratulations to all the winners, but don't be miserable if you didn't win, because participating is more important. Life without geometry is pointless. So now we're going to have a performance about maths, angles and symbols by Kirti from 2B and Arfan from 4th A. That was a wonderful performance. Now, before we conclude, I call upon Aisha Nera from class 8A for vote of thanks.
Peace be upon you all. I am Aisha Nera from class 8A. I would like to extend a hearty welcome to our respected principal, Niyas Chirikra, for his support. Thank you, sir. Next, I would like to thank our vice principal, Ambika ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Next, I would like to thank our academic supervisor, Safa ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. I would also like to thank our chief guest, Miss Sini, for finding time to be at this assembly. Thank you, ma'am. Next, I would like to thank our teachers for making this assembly a success. Thank you all teachers. Next, I would like to thank our beloved parents for their immense support. Thank you all parents. Last but not least, I would like to thank all my friends. Once again, thank you.
Thank you, Aisha Nera. Now it's time to conclude our assembly. So happy Maths Day and thank you all.